Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it, and if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this little icon next to the device and tapping on Forget this device. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!